Welcome to our Toddler Room, where every day is an adventure. At this stage, children are exploring the world around them, and we encourage their curiosity with hands-on learning experiences. Our L.E.A.P curriculum focuses on language development, motor skills, social-emotional learning, early literacy with Phonics with Phoebe, and much more. We also continue to practice sign language and foster independence with introducing life skills like washing hands and tidying up after we finish playing and learning. Through a balance of carefully planned child-initiated and adult-facilitated learning experiences, toddlers develop a range of problem-solving skills, hand-eye coordination, and confidence. Music, movement, and interactive storytelling make learning exciting. And of course, we celebrate every new word and every big achievement along the way. We carefully balance child-led exploration with teacher-guided learning, helping toddlers build confidence while mastering early milestones, from language to independence.